This is how the Jeep got broken in the first place, guys. And here's a video of the aftermath. Getting a undershot of the Jeep. As you can see, it tore right out of the frame. So we got it all cleaned up and got the first piece of metal in there, about to weld it up. There's the extra stuff we cut out of there, all the bad metal. And here's the bracket. I've kind of cleaned it up with the grinder a little bit. Here's welding in the first piece right there from the inside and grinding down the other piece here, or cutting it actually. And then for the other piece, we decided to use the plasma cutter, as it would be a more efficient way of cutting it instead of using the angle grinder. Cleaning up the edges a little bit after using the plasma cutter. And here's the other piece from the other side. Welding the inside of that. Here's another angle of welding the outside of that piece. Now we have a little plate on the bottom there. As you can see, we did 2 layers. We kind of put one on the inside and made it go beyond where we cut there, and then the one on the outside just stops where we cut at. So it's double thickness. But now we're getting the underlayer in here. And I think we have the bracket on now. Starting to get that welded in there. This is a pretty good angle here of what he's doing. Here's the aftermath of that little welding session. Just gonna throw that plate up there just for some extra insurance here. Don't want this falling out again. Eventually I do want to go to long arms, so this isn't a problem. Okay, got everything welded up here. And just checking out the geometries and stuff.
Oh.
Side.
What the fuck?
This is not good. As you can see, this metal's pretty bad, and that's probably why the other side rotted out in the first place, so.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah, it just burned right through that, guys. See, this metal's just awful here. And that's definitely why the other side just ripped out. These unibodies are not the best, but what can you do? We're in Minnesota. We're just trying to add some reinforcement to the other side to prevent the same thing that happened to the other side of it just ripping out. So that's why we're trying to weld this here, but we just freaking stick a plate on there like that. Couldn't really do much on that side because of the gas lines, but this side's looking pretty good. Took it out to dresser and got to wheel it. Got it back out there.